If Gmail is showing a network error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your inbox fast. We'll start with the simplest checks first, then move into browser fixes that solve most Gmail loading issues. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. This sounds basic, but it's the most common reason Gmail won't load properly. Open another website like a news site or YouTube and see if it loads normally. If other websites are failing too, the problem is probably your connection and not Gmail. In that case, refresh your browser, restart your router, and wait a minute for the connection to fully come back online. Once your internet is stable, try Gmail again and see if the network error is gone. If Gmail still isn't working, the next thing to try is Incognito Mode. This is useful because it opens the browser without using your normal cookies, cache, or many extensions. On your browser, click the three dots in the top corner, then choose New Incognito Window or New Private Window, depending on your browser. After that, go to https://mail.google.com/ and sign in if needed. Now test Gmail again. If Gmail loads in incognito mode, that usually means the issue is coming from your browser data or an extension, not Gmail itself. If incognito mode works, the next step is to disable your extensions. Some browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or security add-ons, can interfere with Gmail and trigger network errors. Click the three dots in your browser again, go to Extensions, and then open Manage Extensions. Look through the list and turn off anything that could be blocking scripts, tracking, or page content. Start with ad blockers and privacy-related extensions first. After disabling them, refresh Gmail and check if it opens normally. If it does, you can re-enable your extensions one at a time later to find out which one caused the problem. If the issue is still happening, the next fix is to clear your cache. Cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop Gmail from loading correctly. Open your browser menu, go to Delete Browsing Data, and look for the option to clear cached images and the files. Select it, then click Clear. Once the cache is cleared, close and reopen the browser, then try Gmail again. This step often fixes pages that are stuck, partially loading, or showing network-related messages. If Gmail still shows an error after clearing the cache, the next step is to clear cookies and site data. Cookies help websites remember your login session and preferences, but if they become corrupted, Gmail may not connect properly. Go back to Delete Browsing Data in your browser. This time select cookies and other site data, then click Clear Data. After that, sign back into Gmail and test it again. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of some websites, but it often resolves stubborn login and loading issues. At this point, one of these steps usually fixes the Gmail network error. If your internet is working, incognito mode loads Gmail, and disabling extensions or clearing browser data solves the issue, then the problem was likely browser related the entire time. For the best results, try the steps in order, starting with the internet check, then incognito, then extensions, then cache, and finally cookies. If you want a quick summary, here's the simplest way to remember it. First, confirm your internet connection, then open Gmail in incognito mode, then disable extensions, then clear cached images, and finally clear cookies and site data. These fixes are safe, beginner-friendly, and solve most Gmail network errors without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix Gmail, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials just like this. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.